the gym. I mean, you can just see my reflection, but that's actually a really nice looking gym. And then I'm going out to the swimming pool. Okay, so across the road is, and like, I feel like maybe it's a little bit uncomfortable if I'm just like in the fucking pool, like half naked while they're working. Oh, this pool looks so nice. All right, I'm getting in the pool, I don't care. Need to get changed though. All right, here I go. Why am I so anxious right now? Like, these men have seen people at pools before, surely. Like anyone else who's used the pool today, they would have seen it. I don't know, I'm just scared. I'm so anxious right now, like I'm actually so stressed. But anyways, I'm doing it, it's fine, whatever. Alright, this was really nice.